Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. One last video of the night and then I will let you guys go. So this is my DEK Design organizational box that I've had set up. And actually I'm going to pull that out for this week's planning and Aura Estelle. I'm going to switch those out. But so I wanted to show you, and I've got to put these up correctly. And I have shared with you guys all about the setup of this. And I am going to tell you, I have loved this. This has been fantastic. But my dear sweet friend and boss, Dawn from DEK, sent me one of these with my Hobonichi stickers. And this is a little notebook. I will not put this video up until she puts these in the shop. So hang with me. But I'm going to go ahead and film it now so I don't forget. But I am going to use, she sent this hilarious sticker. It reminds me a lot of, when I get the unboxings put up, you'll see it. It reminds me a bit of the, Diane Reevely. So, and Tim Holtz. It's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. So I absolutely adore this. I think it's charming. And she was like, oh no, I meant to put a sticker on it. I was like, don't worry about it. You gave me a sticker. So I'm just going to put that on here. Now, I don't know. I may come back and put some paper inside here. If I do, I'll show you guys in one of the videos when I'm working in my Hobonichi. So, but I really do love this and I so appreciate it. I have planned out my year. So let me see if I have any in here. So I do have a few in here. Ooh, what's that? Oh, I know what that is. Okay, so this is my, whoops, that should be in February. Okay, this is my February. So what I'm going to do is, where are those date stickers? Well, let me see. I had some months of the year date stickers, and that's not them. Maybe I put them up. Maybe I was so organized. I'm sure I didn't, but no, I did not. I did not. I did not. I thought for a second there, I actually did. It's been a lot of start, stop today. So, okay, no problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to date each one of these. So this is going to be skipped, and then it's going to be January, and then it'll be like 2 for January, 2 for February, etc. So this is my February kit, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. And I love that she sent these. So what I'm going to do, this is one kit, but if I had, you know, a couple of kits, then what I would do is I would put one this way, and you're going to see it in a minute. And then I'm going to turn the other one the opposite way, and I'm going to put it in. So yeah, it's going to be kind of a, just an opportunity to be able to see what I have and have it planned out. And so, and if you think about it, most months are, you know, 4 weeks. So you'd have what, first week, second week, third week, and then fourth week. And then we go into March. So let me pull, I think I've used all the March. So I'm going to skip those. So I have March and March. Now I'm going to go to April. I know I have all these planned out. Can you believe it? And I don't have all the kits for all the months yet. But now she did give me a single one, and I will explain this later. She gave me some extras and extra like copies of kits that she already had. So I'm going to put one like this and one like this. Okay. Yep. And then that will take care of week 1 and week 2 of April. But this is going to do my monthly. And that's what I did. And that goes in my my larger cousin that is just a monthly Hobonichi. And I only have one of these. Aren't these gorgeous? These are so beautiful. So I still need to get another one. And I'm not sure. I think I know I've ordered some and they're coming. So, and guys, if you don't know it yet, it is time to sign up for the, if you haven't signed up for any of the kits, I highly recommend the subscription box and the mystery box. Guys, I just started it and I love it. So this is April. Now we've got May. So see how easy and efficient it is to use this silly box? I know. I mean, it helped me sort everything. I was just so that's my single extra. And then I love this one. Doesn't that look like Mother's Day? I know. And this looks like Mother's Day. So those two are together. Whoops, that one goes with that. So, but if you want to sign up for the subscription boxes, please be sure you put my name in the comment box. And that way they'll know I sent you. And you just have to put Chris. And all that information is always listed below on every video. But DEK's subscription boxes are phenomenal. I've been recently looking at other companies' subscription boxes because, I want to make sure I'm saying that it's still true. And it is. I'm not going to kid you. It is. And I have several subscription boxes. You guys know that. Doesn't that look like Mother's Day? I know. It's just shishi poo poo caring for yourself, all of that. So I know, kind of self-care. But if you want to sign up, be sure you sign up soon because I think the cutoff is right at the turn of the month. And we're getting ready to hit that here soon. Okay, that was May. Let's go to June. And so I'm just going to move forward like this. There is, it's such a great tool to keep yourself organized and to plan your month with. And I think that, for some of us, I don't know how you guys feel, but there are days where I just think, oh, I just really need some extra help. And these are the kind of things that I'm always so thankful for when they're in place. It may take a little time to set it up. It may take a little organization, but that's okay. That is okay. So I love this kit. We have it in the large as well. And yellow, it's the color of the year. It's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. So, okay, now I've got July. Here we go. I start to not have quite as much. So you have to hang with me. Because I load up what I need immediately, and then it kind of slows down a little bit. So, but I have plenty of time for those other months. And the fall, it gets really full. So, okay, so here's July. Don't you love that red, white, and blue? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so pretty. And of course, my Hobonichi is red, so it will be perfect. And then I put another self-care. July's a rough month for us in a way. My parents always had a box at the local rodeo. And so I miss that. I don't miss going to the rodeo as much as I just miss being with my siblings would come in and, we would be together, and my husband and I loved the rodeo. I'm a rodeo girl, you know how that is. And so, but it really was just really all about being with my parents, and that's all that mattered, and I, at the end, like my dad took everyone, my dad's last summer, and then I stayed home and I stayed with my mom. And the year before, I took my mom and went and got her dinner because I knew she couldn't sit through the rodeo. And to me, they're such special memories. So I thought I would just make sure I've got lots of pampering, caring for, pretty, things that, every now and then, those months, they're going to be a little bit more difficult than others. And so that's what you do, It looks like I don't have any for August. I do have some for September. So for August, I'm going to skip 1 and 2. So there's my month. And now here's my September. Ugh, isn't that beautiful? Doggone. She does the greatest job on these, don't you think? Doesn't that look like fall, back to school, all that good stuff? And one of the pictures has a book that says Once Upon a Time. Having taught kindergarten, I read a lot of books. So, all right. I loved kinder. It was so much fun. It really was. It's not for everybody, and I know that, but I really did enjoy it. I was very opinionated on what was appropriate, age appropriate, which, because I'm early childhood endorsed, and so, or certified, and so I always feel like they're always rushing kindergartners, and I think there's so much more you can do with kindergartners that they don't need to be first graders. They need to be kindergartners. They need to have all those pre-reading readiness skills. And I know if you're a teacher, you're probably thinking, Oh, no, you're being lazy. No, I'm not. I'm really not. And so I put a lot of time in on that. I thought I had a ton of November. Oh, I do. I was in the wrong section. All right, so I have tons of November. I really loved all the dark ones. They were so pretty. That's gorgeous. So, but anyway, so kindergartners, I'm a little opinionated on how you teach, what's age appropriate, what's and I'm going to tell you, I had a child at 4 years old who wanted to read, and we opened the door. I mean, and then I had a child who wasn't ready to read until really third grade, and you have to, and as a result, he went from literally reading primers to collegiate level history books that he saved his money for and bought. He'd buy college textbooks. I know. So I'm really opinionated. If you give the kids time to get to where they need to be, then they just blossom and bloom. And it's like, slow down, slow down. But, anyways. All right. So that is it for almost for November. And I'm going to see if we have a December. And then I don't think I have any in December. Pretty sure I don't have any. Okay. So now I'm going to skip 4. Okay. So, 2. 1, 2. And then here. So this is December. And then here's where I'm going to put these monthlies. And I'm not going to load everything up. I'm just going to upload the back. No, I think I'm going to go here. And then I'll know I have one more. Because I may want to put dates in here because I'm terrible. That's what I am going to do. I'm always terrible about pulling my dates and putting them in. So let me grab my dates, months and dates, and I've got tons. So I'm going to grab 1, 2. I think I'm going to keep all these for my other planners. I'm probably going to have to order more, but that's okay. And then I've got some black, so I'll do maybe 2 blacks, and then I've got some silver. I think I only have 2, and I'll do 1 silver. Okay, this will be for my others, and I will just keep those in here. Let me see. Yep, months and dates. And this shall be for my Hobonichi. And then if we can get months of the year, and that will be, ooh, I've got 2 more. Ooh, wait, did I boo-boo? No, I didn't. I had 2 more. Yay. So that'd be great if we got, so I'm going to do it like that. So I know that I'll have both of these. Okay. And then if I get months of the year, which I'm hoping Dawn will do, and I can put those in here. And I would buy the same thing like I did on the others. I would just buy tons of them. So that's it. This is my Hobonichi sticker organizer. I absolutely love this. I wanted to leave these open, and what I'm thinking is I'm not sure yet. I'm still considering what I'm going to put in here. I do want to find if Dawn can do the months of the year, then I can take these extras and I can do the month in the Hobonichi. Hold on. Where is my Hobonichi? I thought it was in here. I must have it in the other room. Okay, but in the Hobonichi, you have your month and then you have your weeks. And so in the month portion, I really want to have a decorative kit that would do the months. So if she can do the months of the year, just the names of the months of the year, then I can implement that. And I would use that in tons of things, on file folders, on all kinds of, like even when I did this organization. So yeah, it's really, really good. So anyways, and I would love to use that also in my gardening journal because I need months of the year for that. So yeah. Okay, friends, I hope you like this. It went a little bit longer than I thought, but I needed to be able to kind of scooch this over and lay it down so I can put my lid on. And that's exactly what it did. It made it so I can put my lid on. Perfect. And I hear my husband closing the gate, which means he's getting ready to come in. And yeah, so like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Tell me if this is your thing. And actually, one of the things you can do too is take a plastic card, even an old gift card, and just wrap washi around it and put it in here. So when you travel, sorry, I didn't mean to be so loud. When you travel, you can have your washi, your stickers, your dates, your actual date numbers, and then you could have your months of the year if you get months of the year. So this would be perfect if you are on a business trip or you're going somewhere. Be perfect to use. So yeah, but come on back. I don't know what I may actually. I could even put the colored paper in there. Wouldn't that be cute? I know. And I may move that sticker on the inside so it won't get messed up. Let's do it now. But I hope you guys like this. If you did, like, subscribe, do all that. I'll do it afterwards. Let me know what you think and tell me if you think I should change anything. Do you have a better idea and I didn't think of it? So I would love for you to leave a comment below and give me your tips. Okay, friends. Again, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Be safe. Love you guys. I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.